got going on, Tun?
What the fuck?
Is your
A
skin
Teletubby.
painted pink?
It's a Teletubby. Real life Teletubby.
You bipolar, dyslexic, incoherent, uncircumcised, cheesy dick motherfucker. Big girl's first time up in drags at a ball, bitch. I said.
Hey.
She taking pictures of me and shit, Miss Thing. Ooh.
No, I'm on the phone like that, baby. I'm not taking a picture of you.
Okay, well, you got a cute ass man, Miss Thing. Take care of him before I steal him.
Clock her teeth. Clock her teeth. Period.
Hey, handsome.
You like gangbangers? You like gangbangers?
How old is he?
Yo, this is. He's grown, honey.
Oh, he
Grown.
gotta be grown to be
Grown.
with me, baby. I don't.
Oh yeah, he grown. He 32.
And how old are you, girl, with a 32-year-old man?
20. We're in our 20s.
Okay, I know that's right. Y'all pretty girl. Y'all better start dealing with no ass men, y'all. Y'all pretty girl. Y'all deserve the best.
Thank you.
All right, y'all take care, pretty girls.
You too.
All right.
No, I gotta fix this. Cooking with Kaya. Oh, you fat.
And your mama ugly.
You are a mama ugly.
How you doing today?
I'm blessed to
Thank
you.
you. Your lipstick is cute.
Thank you.
Yes. Anyways. All right, good night.
Good night.
You smoke Newports?
Hey.
Hey.
You looking good on this Friday.
Thank you. I'm trying to find you.
I like that color, that lipstick color. I like that.
Thank you, sweetie.
What's that color called?
Find a man.